Hey everyone, this is Lisa from TRW, and in this video we are going to be customizing this little passport cover I got from Target. Now there's a couple issues we have with this and a couple tips that I'm going to give you through this process. Now first of all, this is not real leather, it is imprinted, so we're going to be pressing onto this, being mindful of the temperature and also making sure we preserve the texture on this. So I'm going to be doing this with Siser glitter, heat transfer vinyl, and pressing with my pink press. Okay, so I have my design cut. So I went ahead and cut this beforehand. This is using the TRW Flutter font. It's a cute little script font. And this is Siser glitter in Galaxy Black. Now, one thing to keep in mind with this, I did turn on my overcut feature and I actually did double cut this. This is a little bit trickier to weave, so you just want to be careful when you're doing this. If you're doing a ton of these, you might want to choose a different font or do it a bigger size, but hey, I wanted it to look nice. So check it out. So here's my passport cover. I thought this was really cute because inside it has this "You Are Beautiful" type of thing, and this is an embossed look. But here's the issue we run into with something like this, is this obviously is not real leather, but it's got that imprint of it. So the trick to do something like this is that you want to do really short presses and you want to lower the temperature. So my heat press is set to 260 degrees. Typically I'm pressing this at 315. But because we are not washing this, I say this a lot, because we're not washing this, we have more flexibility with our temperature. So we have our design right here. Now you can either open it up and flip it like this, but in this case, I'm just going to keep it closed like that. So again, the trick is to do short presses. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to press it enough to get my vinyl to stick and come off the carrier, and then I'll continue on. So we're going to go ahead, bring this down. Again, 260. Let's lift this up. My pressure's kind of high, huh? All right, so we're going to lift this up, and the reason why we're lifting this up pretty quickly is I don't want to square from my carrier in my little cover. So you can see there's a tiny bit of one right there. So we're going to take this, and while it's still warm, press it again to kind of get that square out. And I'm going to lower my pressure. So short presses. You can kind of see this evens out. One thing to keep in mind is these things kind of have cardboard in them, so they're going to fold under the heat. So once that you're done with this, you want to put this under something heavy just to kind of straighten it out and keep that heat from bending it. All right, so this is my pressed cover. I'm going to put this under a book real quick, and then I will show you the finished product. Okay everyone, so that is the final product. You can see the little book turned out nice. It's got that text on there, not too bad. So an easy project. Now this is from my Target Dollar Spot haul. I will link that video below. So this little case I believe was $3, but a really easy customization. If you are in the wedding market, this is a great item because new brides don't have their last name changed right away because they're going on their honeymoon and going. So I think that this is a really great project. So I used Siser glitter heat transfer vinyl in Galaxy Black, and then I just pressed it with my pink press. So if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. If you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We're uploading videos all the time.